We're here at the Innovation Fair at the First Championships at the Experiential Robotics booth. I'm joined here by Keegan, a student from Cornell University. Cornell has been doing some really fantastic things with the XRP, and we want to show them off to you. So Keegan, can you tell us some of the things you've done?
Of course, yeah. So it was kind of our job to show that the XRP is so much more than just a single robot. It's a platform that can take so many different shapes and sizes. So we kind of took that original chassis and said, how could we make improvements right off the bat? And we thought a 0-point turn radius would be a great way to start improving path planning and everything like that. So we have a larger version of the 0-point turning radius and a mini XRP up here. And then we took a look at kind of the mounting ecosystem. How can we make everything modular and easy so that there's no gripes or grinds in use, putting all the fun and functional. And out of that, we created a new rail system, as well as the Snapple ecosystem. Snap bolts are hex clips and hex bolts, and they allow for the standard connection of anything to two parts together, and it can take many different forms. And for instance, these cores are all detachable, and that allows you to transfer it into other different projects. And then even something that doesn't have wheels, like this 0G robot, which demonstrates our emotion system.
So we've taken the base XRP kit, the XRP, which is in here. We've attached a Raspberry Pi Zero, and the Raspberry Pi Zero talks to the XRP using a USB serial protocol, which is just a cable connecting the USB-C port on the XRP to the Raspberry Pi over here. And then the Raspberry Pi is connected to a 2-inch LCD screen. We have every emotion corresponding to a different sound that matches that emotion. So the emotion that you see on the screen right now is chuckle. And we have like a roboticized chuckle noise that also plays at the same time.
And the XRP doesn't even have to look like a robot. Some examples of that are our Baby Yoda and our BB-8, which really show that you can take these core electronics and turn it into anything you can imagine. As a part of our work on the XRP, we were sponsored to send something to space to truly show that the XRP is out of this world. And from that came the Astrobee. We were inspired by the propulsion system of the Astrobee currently in use on the International Space Station, and it uses impellers to create air pressure in each half and then directs that air pressure with vents that can open and close. The whole control system is based around the XRP.
So those are some really cool projects that have been happening here at the XRP booth. Lots of really cool innovations. Really love to see it. Hopefully you can see this is really not just a tiny little robot platform, and the XRP, the base kit, is not the end of the XRP. It really is such an expandable platform to do so many amazing projects for STEM education and so much more. Hi, hello. Actually, hang on, I want to do it again.
Yeah.
Man in the sun.